Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Irma. My student number is 10121507. I am from C10 class of management. In this video, I will tell you about my adventure and healthy. Last summer, 3 of my friends and I went to the beach for an adventure. I'm very happy and excited when I see the blue sea water. There are also many aesthetic photo spots, such as swings, hallways, Santorini, Triangle House, Vanda House, and many more. We all took pictures and made lots of video for memories. Of the many beauties that exist, we only pay 50,000 rupiah and are free to access all flash. Very fun. Hopefully next time I can go there again. One day, I almost had surgery because of appendicitis. It happened because I like to eat spicy food. At the time, I was very miserable and confused because I was far from my parents. I self-medicate and stay away from hot chilies. Alhamdulillah, the treatment went well and I don't feel any pain anymore. Even so, I have to take care of my health by eating lots of fruit and vegetables. Okay, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.